Hi everyone, it's Josh here with another video tour of new construction builds. Today we're touring Wonderland Homes here in Timnath, Colorado. Come along on our journey, check us out. Remember, like the video, subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell, leave any comment below with questions, feedback, anything that you have. And always, as always, if you're in the market for a new home, check out the description box. It's got all my contact information, including my social media handles. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at See It Sold Josh. What'd you find? That's your detergent. Charlotte. You're a trip. Does it go into bed? Charlotte, what do you think? Charlotte, what do you think of the baby's room? Does it pass? Huh? What do you think? What did you find? What do you think? It's fake grass. Well guys, that's our tour today of Wonderland Homes. Hopefully you found this information helpful. If you like the model that you saw today, check it out. I've got links in the description box to all these models, including the one you saw today. If I can be of help, let me know. All my contact information is in the description box below. Check me out on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. @SeeItSoldJosh is my handle. And until next time, this is Josh C. and Assistant Charlotte, assistant to the realtor, Charlotte, wishing you guys a great day. Charlotte, are you having fun? Yeah? What do you think about the balcony here outside the master suite of the Blossom for Wonderland Homes? What do you think? You like it enough to take those shoes off, don't you? Yeah? You like it?